So my goal is when somebody has paid for a membership, then they will receive an email. But of course, you can add actions as much as you want. You can roll them into a course or something like that. It's all up to you. So let's see that in action, and I will show you what can go wrong. So this is the membership websites, and we will pay for it. So we fill in our name, and we're gonna pay it with Ideal. We're gonna finish the payments, and then we see nothing here in the email box. So nothing is in here. There's no new email, even if you refresh it multiple times. And then you think when we finish the payments, then we will receive an email, and there it is. So this is when the payment has finished, so the checkout is completed. And when you go in here, then you can see that it's paid. And if you go into another recipe, and that is this one, that is when the subscription is created, then it will be running even if they didn't check out or completed the payment. So keep that in mind. So they don't, when they don't pay, they have an subscription, then you can roll the actions. But I prefer to do it when they have paid for the subscription. Now that's we can cancel the subscription. So here we have the canceling for the subscription, and let's see how those actions are working. If you go to all recipes, and you can see that I have made this trigger, and with this Dutch text, subscription is cancelled. You can also choose from multiple subscriptions that you have. Now keep in mind that you can see here the form ID. So this is from another form than this one. So this is form ID 3 and this is 17. There's a little detail, and then they will receiving an email. And you can also say that you have another action, then that they will be getting deleted from your website or something like that. But you can figure it out by yourself. So we're going to cancel it, and the only action that I had was send the customer email, and we wait a little bit. Of course, I have to confirm it first, and then go into the email box. Make sure that you have the SMTP working on your websites, and there is the text. So that is another trigger with Uncanny Automator and Stripe. And the last recipe is when a payment fails. When they try to pay, and you can choose the membership, then when it fails, then send them an email, and that is also with the customer email, so you can check that out. So when there's something wrong, then you can send them an email, and you can also send them a link, a pay link. You can make it in Stripe, the payment links, and you can use the tokens in here. Then you can send them a payment link. So you've add an action, and then you go into the Stripe, and then create a payment link for a product. Now you have to also enable it in Stripe itself. If you don't have the payment link, then it won't work. And of course we go to the webhooks. Let's see what I've activated. Webhooks, and this is the particular webhook that I'm using. So these are the events that I've checked. Now you don't have to use them all, but if you do it this way, then you will be safe. Now, what I like to do to uh, that the customer will not be confused with the form, with the email address, and they fill in the wrong email address, then I will enter a container class. So, for example, this one, if you see it here in action, then you will see that the email, they have to embed the email, but they can make a mistake. So don't make it um, required. And then you go to the container class and you say ff hidden, and when you save that, and then you see it in action, and you see that it doesn't appear, but it's still there. And then you have to embed the default email. So you go to advanced, and then you go to those dots, and that is the user email. If you do it this way, then you must be aware that the user must be logged in the website, because when there is no subscriber, there is no user, then of course it can grab the email address. So that was it, a little bit from Stripe and Uncanny Animator. There are a lot of more triggers and actions that you can do and recipes, but that's in another tutorial. Thanks for watching, bye.